Welcome to our reattempt start of Pickleball. Oh, sorry that the camera just moved. Anyways, let's head back to the stations. So yeah, it's exactly like tennis, but it'll be in a different method. Go back to the stations. Oh, you decided to switch, huh? Okay, that sounds a perfect idea. Hold on. But let's just stay in this position first. Anyways, welcome to Pickleball. And we're gonna do how to play first. Then, we're gonna start playing.
Here's how we play.
Pickleball. One,
Must get in teams or spots.
two.
When the ball comes to your hitting part, hit it to the other side.
Then hit it back.
Whoever scores their last shot scores. 4. Whoever gets most points at end of the entire game wins.
Alright, now that we know how to play pickleball, but it's gonna be like tennis, of course, which is mostly a little bit of your favorite sport that you used to play with Rosie a long time ago. So, here comes the first round of the match. Alright, let's get started. Get ready. We're gonna do a little 30-second practice. Then we're going. So get ready.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
And go.
Alrighty.
Now, shoot it.
Let's go.
Shoot the ball into the tack. Oh, here, shoot it. Shoot it, pal. Oh, no. You almost got me. 3, 2, 1. Alright, our practice round is over, so we're gonna start our official game. So it's gonna start round 1, and it'll go up by a few rounds, but this time, I have a few mounts of rounds. The goal will now lift up easily so that the ball can reach the under length. So this time, practice rounds do not count scores, but only regular rounds do, other than practice rounds. At the final round, it'll calculate the player who wins the match. So, would you like to do outsea challenge or a regular pointer outsea challenge? Wait a minute, Chillaxer. That was a very good shoot, but unfortunately it's out of bounds. Chillaxer, you went way out of bounds. But let me search for the ball first. Dang it, I just thought something. Alright, I got the ball. Return to your stations. Alright, get ready. We're gonna start our official game. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what is the music up to now? Days up. Three, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, I thought what you want. Tell me what you want.
you really want. I'll tell you what I want. I really want.
Okay.
Tell me what you want. What you really want. I want.
Now,
Is one my teacher?
cluck the
Is
ball.
my boss? If you want to get a with me, here. Take it back. You don't correct me. Take it fine. Get your act
This is
together.
not
We can
true.
just be fine. Tell me what you want and what I really want. Wait. Tell me what you want. What you really want. I want. I really want a big dog.
Whoever gets knocked on their head parts is out for a round.
It's freaking crazy. That's the way it is. Well, let's just think about that. Now you throw. I want to throw. Oh, you can handle my legs. Are you for real? Are you for real?
Oh, dang it. Here we go again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like round 1 timer's up. Alright, we're gonna start at a little quick round. So it looks like no head's part has been knocked out so far, which is totally awesome because we don't like to get no sucked. We just don't want to get hit by something like a bullet or something. I know there isn't really bullets right now, but our country, Arizona, is safe for sports, which is a good day. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. Wait, stop. Oh, dang it. Shall I, sir? Oh, never mind. She's coming back. Chillaxer, you almost left me behind. Good shoot. Right. Oh, finally the game continues. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, no. Oh, Chillaxer scored. Chillaxer knocked my bottom part off. Looks like Chillaxer has scored this time. So John 0 and Chillaxer 1. So what I mean by numbers is just points. So Chillaxer, your score is really 1 point and I got nothing. So let's play another round. So we're gonna start at round 3. Very, very soon. But ready. 3, 2, 1, begin. Oops. Looks like we got his neck part off. Oh wait, 1 to 1. Gotcha. 2, 1. Now shoot ball to us. Alright. Back to the stations. 3, 2, 1. Start. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Looks like round 3's timer's up. So here it comes.